Right, in this video we're going to solve a quadratic equation. So we're actually going to get some numerical values. So solve the following quadratic equation: x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So you've got x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. It's an equation because it's equal to something. Remember, if it's not equal to something, then it's an expression which cannot be solved. We just can factorize. Right, first of all, we're going to find the product. So there's going to be 1, which is not there, times minus 21, which is going to be equal to minus 21. And the sum is going to be 4. We want two numbers whose product is minus 21 and the sum is 4. That's going to be minus 3 and 7. Just check that. Minus 3 times 7 is minus 21, and minus 3 plus 7 is 4. If that does not work, then you need to try another pair. Right, writing down the quadratic, we've got x squared. We're going to write minus 3x plus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now, we've still got plus 4 in the middle here. So we group the first two terms together, take out a common factor of x, and we're going to be left with x minus 3. Bring down the plus sign, and look at these two together. There's a common factor of 7. And then in brackets, write down x minus 3 is equal to 0. When you take 7 out, you're going to get x minus 3. When you do this here and here, you'll always get the same bracket. So x minus 3 now comes out as a common factor. So we've got x minus 3, and you're left with x plus 7. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 3, or x plus 7 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 7. So we have two answers: x is minus 7, or x can be equal to 3. So this has been a video to show you, if you were to put these back in the original equation, you get, if you put minus 7 in, you get 0. And if you put 3 in, you will also get 0. So it's been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.